Welcome to Perennia Food and Agriculture's Food Safety 5x5 series. This session is on how to respond to non-conformances, root cause analysis, and CAPA. Non-conformances can arise from an inspection, an audit, or during daily activities when there's a variation from a written procedure, specification, standard, or regulation. Therefore, it is important to know how to approach and respond to these non-conformances. For each nonconformance, you should respond using the following 8 steps for a successful resolution. Identify the problem. Avoid assigning blame. Conduct an investigation. Implement immediate corrective actions. Segregate the product. Root cause analysis. Corrective and preventive action, or CAPA. And conduct an effectiveness check. First, we must look at the whole picture. Investigate using the 5 W's. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Determine if product was affected and if food safety has been compromised. Avoid assigning blame. Your first priority is to get the situation under control and identify the root cause. If necessary, addressing behaviors and providing coaching can be focused on later. Conduct an investigation. Perform an inspection of the area, packaging, personnel practices, and equipment that may be contributing to the issue. Interview employees. Review all records and consumer complaints. Document the details of your findings, dates, times, lot codes, etc. Keep copies of records and save any applicable digital correspondence for reference. Once your investigation has been completed, you will then need to implement immediate corrective actions to control the situation and prevent reoccurrence. Further corrective and preventive actions may need to be implemented later on. Next, you'll need to segregate any affected product and complete a traceability exercise to ensure you can account for and trace all affected product. Ensure any discrepancies are investigated. If the incident is serious and product has left your control, you will then need to initiate your recall plan. Complete a root cause analysis with your cross-functional team. Choose any method that works for you. For example, 5 whys, fishbone, is not, etc. For tips on how to do a root cause analysis, refer to our How to Conduct an Effective Root Cause Analysis fact sheet under the Quality and Food Safety section of our website. Implement corrective and preventive actions that address the determined root cause. It's also necessary to examine whether the issue can occur or is occurring elsewhere within the system and include these areas in your corrective and preventive action plan. Implement corrective and preventive actions that address the determined root cause to bring the process or issue back into control and prevent reoccurrence. This can only occur after a thorough root cause analysis has been completed. Communication of the corrective and preventive actions to all employees is key in preventing the issue from reoccurrence and to ensure that everyone understands. Once your corrective and preventive actions have been implemented and communicated to all employees, it's important to schedule and conduct an effectiveness check to review the corrective and preventive actions that were put in place to determine whether they are effective at controlling the issue. This will ensure that the issue has been fully addressed, does not occur anywhere else in the system, and the corrective and preventive actions continue to be effective. Now that you're more familiar with the steps on how to respond to nonconformances, you'll be able to respond to any that are identified more efficiently and effectively. We hope by checking out our Food Safety 5x5 series, you'll learn something new or validate what you already know. For more information, visit the Quality and Food Safety section of our website. Best of luck on your quality and food safety journey.